In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create WhatsApp vote poll. Okay, let's get started. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Okay, let's open WhatsApp very fast. Okay, this is the app. Then you must make sure that you select polls. Okay, make sure that you select updates. Sorry, you see it's in the communities. Make sure that you tap on updates tab. Okay, then tap on your channel. My channel is the first channel there. I'm just going to tap on it like that. Then tap on the icon having something like a paper clip at the bottom. Now you will see a place for poll. Now just tap on it. Then you will ask the question that you want to ask, then provide multiple answer and so on and so forth. Maybe you want to compare who likes coffee more than tea or something like that. So that is how you can create a successful poll on WhatsApp. Okay, if you found value in this video as usual, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.